Hi guys, welcome back. Today I have an intro slash update 1 slash update 1.5, almost 2 for my rolling project 10 pan. If you follow me on Instagram, you'll know that I started a rolling project 10 pan, which I got from my 100 pan for the year. So I have a 100 pan going on for 2018, and I decided to dissect that into a rolling project 10 pan. So I pick out items from there and just bring them in and kind of focus on those products while at the same time doing working on the ones that I have in my 100 pan. Okay, that was a lot of information, but I had already filmed this video a couple weeks back, and then it just got erased from my phone along with a whole bunch of stuff. So I have to redo it. So that's why I'm calling this an intro slash update 1 slash update 1.5. So let me just get started because I don't want this to be too long. I'm going to start with some products that I have finished. And the first one that I have is my Marc Jewels. So I've been working on this. This is one of my favorite perfumes. I just really like how it smells. And here's my intro mark. And that is where I had it marked for the first update. And I also marked it down here. And of course, since my video got deleted, I've made a little bit more progress. But let me tell you where I was at when I started and when I did the update. So when I started, I was at 126 grams. I then moved down to 116, and right now I'm at 112 grams. So I've made quite a bit of progress. I use it normally. I don't do anything weird with it or just go overboard with using it. I just use it like I normally do. And like I said, I really like it. So product number 2 that I have that I finished. Okay, I said I was going to start with my empties and I just went right into it. So I guess I'll just go in order by my list. So next I have the e.l.f. Flawless Finish Foundation. Yeah, that's it. And this one was, let me check. This one was 81 grams when I started it. Then it moved down to 73 grams. And right now I am currently done with it. I didn't mark this, but I believe it was like somewhere up here. There wasn't a whole lot left, but this was getting old. It was a couple years old already. So it has moved on, and now I can move on to using other foundations. Now I have the Lorac 3D Liquid Luster drops, and this one you're not going to be able to tell because it's not settled, but this is where I was when I started, and when I did my update I was down here, and I have gone down just a little bit more. So this one was 43 grams, and then it was 32, and I'm still at 32 grams. But I have been enjoying this. It's just a really pretty liquid eyeshadow, and I'll be sad to see it gone. But I mean, this is sold in my collection. It's not even funny. I'm just glad to be getting some kind of use out of it. And now I have the Never Ending MAC Single in Cork, and this is where I'm at. It's just so hard to hit pan on this. I use it as a brow powder, and it was 12 grams when I started, and it's still 12 grams. I've used a lot of it, but as you can see, I have not hit pan yet. So I'm waiting for the day where I actually hit pan on this. I haven't tried using it as a bronzer because I am currently panning a bronzer. So not using it for that, but I have used it as a brow powder and as a transition shade. I don't know, it just takes so long to go through. It's getting on my nerves, but I'll get there eventually. Next product is the e.l.f. Lip Balm, and it's the conditioning lip balm, and it comes in this bulky packaging, but I still like it regardless. I love this lip balm because it tastes like coconut, like a sweet kind of coconut. I also haven't hit pan on this, and I've been working on it for a long time, but I mean, in its defense, I just use it like before bed or in the mornings while I'm doing my makeup. So not a lot of progress there, but I did go down a couple of grams. It was, let me see, it was 40 grams, and right now I'm at 39. 1 gram down, but at least it's something because I have had this for a long time as well. So I'm trying to get it used up, and it surprisingly has not gone bad on me yet. So it's holding on there. It's holding on. This next one I brought in, and it's the Amazing Cosmetics Primer, and I just couldn't get through it. So I am decluttering this one. The reason why, at first I really liked it, but then I started noticing that I was getting really oily. 3-4 hours after my makeup, I was just getting so oily, and it was really cold outside, so it's not even that it was hot or anything like that. This just made me super oily. So if you have dry skin, this might be a good one for you. But as far as me, it just didn't work, so I'm not gonna try to use it up. I'm gonna declutter it, and that's it for this primer. Now I have 2 Guinea products. The first one is the Dior J'adore perfume sample. I went through this like nothing. I don't even remember if I liked it or not. I don't think I liked it enough because obviously I don't remember, but I don't think I would purchase the large or the full size. This one was okay, but I'm done with that one. And the other one is the Clinique face wash. I got this with an order that I made, and she worked for Clinique, so she sent me a free sample. So that one's gone, and this little jar is ready to get repurposed, so I'll find something to put in here. So that's 2 more that are out. I have 1 more product left, and that is the Laura Geller Duo Eyeshadow Duo, and this is in Fine Wines. This is in Fine Wines. When I started this project, this was brand new. There was no dips. It was just untouched. And right now I have a huge dip going on. So I use this as an all over lid color. I use it as a transition shade. So it's pretty good. I mean, to me, it's not, the formula is kind of waxy, if it makes sense. I don't know. It's just not super soft. I don't know. It's just strange. But it's okay, I guess. I'm getting through it. I don't know if I might just try to just finish it off. I don't think I'm gonna attempt to finish this side. I might just end up giving it away. I don't know. We'll see. But for now, I have hit pan on it. And let me tell you how much it weighed. It was 20 grams when I started, and right now it's at 19 grams. So made a little bit of progress on there. I'm just gonna wait and see what I want to do with this. Do I want to give it away? Do I want to keep it? So I don't know yet. So that's it for the original items and the empty. So now I'm gonna bring in the 4 items that I am subbing for the ones that I finished. And first in line is the Rimmel Brow Pen. Ugh, come on. First in line is the Rimmel Brow Pencil. I did not think I was gonna like this. I got this free, I don't know what makeup thing, maybe a mascara, and I got this for free. And I just thought it was really hard because it's not like the creamiest pencil ever. But I started using it and I found that I do like it, so I've been enjoying that. And here it is. That's where I'm at right now. This, I waited and it said it was, I started out at 2 grams and right now it's 1 gram. I don't know, it looks a little bit big to me for 1 gram, but for reference purpose, let me see. I have not reached any of the letters, so we'll see where I end up with the next update. The next product is also a Rimmel product, and that's the, oh my gosh. Okay, we have, yeah, this just happened. It kind of broke on me. It's the Rimmel Stay Matte Powder, and this is gonna have to get repressed. There it is. This was way more full when I started, of course, but now it decided to just crumble on me, so I'm going to have to repress it. Let me tell you how much it weighed. It weighed 23 grams, and right now I'm down to 21 grams. So I've been doing good on this one. It's a really good powder, but it is kind of old, so I want to get it used up. And now that I have to actually repress it, which I had been avoiding, it's going to go even quicker. So I guess that's good. Now I have a body butter by The Body Shop. I can't believe I got that all out without getting confused. Okay, so this body butter, I've been working on this since around November, December of last year, and it was completely new. So I am making progress. It smells delicious, like all the butters that I have from The Body Shop. And this is where I'm at right now. So I wanna finish this up possibly by next update and get through it. This is a ginormous tub, but I really enjoy their body butters and I love them. And yeah, I just want to keep on using this and just roll it out in an empty category for next update. And the final item that I'm rolling in is an e.l.f. Shimmer Palette. This was brand new when I started, hadn't been touched. I'm lying. I might have used it once or twice, but it was 66 grams, and right now this is where I'm at. I wanted to originally just pan this one, finish it all off. But I'm just gonna go ahead and just aim for all of it. I'm gonna finish the whole thing. I do have a lot of pan on this one and on this one, so I'm kind of taking it one color at a time. I use it as an all over shimmer, or I will use it as an eyeshadow base, and they are very, very creamy, very emollient, but surprisingly they make my shadows last. I mean, it doesn't smudge off or anything like that. I've actually been enjoying it, and after working through 2 of the all over body shimmer sticks, I know that I can get through this one. So it hasn't been that hard, and I know I can do it. So it's just a matter of how long it'll take me to finish the whole thing off. So those are my products, 4 empties, 10 total. I rolled 4 more in. I'm excited to be doing this project and just getting things out of my collection and rotating through stuff. It's really fun. I'm keeping my project pans at a real minimum, so I can just kind of enjoy the rest of my collection as well. But that is it for my intro slash update 1.5. Yeah, that's it for this intro slash update. And I'll be seeing you in a couple weeks with my next update. Let's see what else I finished and what else I'm rolling in. So thank you guys. If you aren't already, go ahead and follow me on Instagram @InTheBeautyMix, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.